Let's talk about the spinner, a tool that makes it much easier to transfer beads and sequins onto a thread. There are different types of spinners. Some are simple, with just a cup and base that you spin by hand. Others are electric, with adjustable speed settings. I'm using the simplest and cheapest version here, just to show you that even this basic tool can make a real difference. You'll also need specific needles that look like hooks. These needles also come in different thicknesses. For finer beads, you'll need a thinner one. Let's try stringing some beads. The process is very simple. Pour some beads into the cup, thread your needle, and start spinning. Make sure the needle is angled toward the direction of the spin. The beads will catch on the hook automatically. That's all there is to it. The video is sped up, but in real time you can string the amount you need in just a few minutes, instead of picking up beads one by one for hours. Now let's see how it works with sequins. I'm using a thinner needle for the sequins, but the process is the same. Stringing sequins usually takes a bit more time than beads, but it's still faster than any other method. Also, it depends on the type of plastic the sequins are made from. Heavier plastic is easier to string. Once you're done, just cut the thread and tie a secure knot. Now you're ready to start embroidering.